Hi Imagi coders! Dora here with another challenge. Before I started to work with technology and programming, I was studying neuroscience because I was so curious about our minds and our brains, how we learn and think. So today I'm going to show you a famous experiment called the Stroop effect. The idea goes as following. If I ask you to tell me what color this text is presented in, it will be really easy to say blue, whereas here it will be more difficult to say yellow instead of automatically reading out red. So let's see how this experiment works on the Imagi chart. Yellow, purple, red, green, white, blue, orange, yellow, purple, red, green, white, blue, orange. Nice! Now I will do the version where the color is randomly picked and I have to say the color. Red, white, green, yellow. I was slower. Scientists have many theories why this effect occurs, and one of them is really related to cognitive control. So the idea is that it's more natural to read text out than it is to name its color. It's sort of like going to school every day on the exact same route. If one morning instead of school you have to take to the doctor's, it's going to take you extra effort to remember not to take that right turn that you take every single day. Your challenge for today is to work with the code we provide in the example and change it around. Maybe English is not your first language, so you will want to change the initials representing the colors, or maybe you want to tweak the colors themselves. And then of course you can try out the experiment for yourself. If you have any questions, just come to our Discord server and you can ask about coding, or today maybe ask about neuroscience. Looking forward to seeing your submissions. Happy coding!